This 2014 Winnebago View Profile 24 volts is a Class C RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This used Winnebago is 25 feet 5 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Satellite Decor, Aosta Cherry Cabinetry interior, sleeps 4, Skylight, TV, refrigerator, external shower, TV antenna, water heater, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, slide-out, self-contained, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2014 Winnebago View Profile 24 volts is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.